Hey guys, in this episode, I would like to to refine the code here a little bit. The thing here is, we have this dictionary here, and I took all these values from Modo 17, and they are not the same like in older versions. So when we save just our string here, it doesn't work. In Modo 16.1v8, because Modo 16.1v8 doesn't have some of those commands in this form here. And the thing here is why we have this handmade a dictionary here, because it's not intended for the user to get these values here by code from the form here in the form editor. We could read them somehow from a CFG, but I maybe isn't also the best idea. So we have this handwritten dictionary here. And in Python 3.9, a dictionary is ordered, and I think also in Python 3.7. And in versions below that, it's the dictionary isn't ordered. So it doesn't has to be like that. This value is here at place 0 or 1, and this is in the mid here, and this is there. This could be all over the place. So what we want to do is to this string here, we want to also save a key. So when we save this, we want to have the key, the value, the next key, the value, the key, and the next value. So we have to edit here the save function. And what we do is, instead of append the string here to the list, we want to extend the list with two values. So we change this to list, extend, and then we want to add the key and the string. So round brackets, x, comma, and we close this. And we put this in a try block, except pass. And this should be good. If we would just do it like this, just list point append x, and then list append the string here. This would work, and it would fail here. It can happen that this x then is already added to the list. So that's what we don't want, because this would then fail here, but this would be already added. So that's not so cool. So we just extend the list in one go, and if this fails, the whole line here fails. Should be good. Okay, now we have here the key, the value, the key, the value, key value, key value. This is good. We also need to do the same here. So we want to assign a new dictionary here, or create a new one. So new dict equals is empty, curly brackets. And then we want to go walk this string here in a for loop for I in range. We start by 0 and go for the length of the list. And the increment is 2. So we start at 0, taking this key here, then the over next key, and then the over next key, and the over next key. And we want to assign a new value. Value equals actually we can take this string here, value equals to this, and then just list I. This should be good. And then we have to assign the key to the dictionary, new dict list I equals list I. So we want I plus 1. So we take the key and the next value, key, next value, key, next value. This is this list I plus 1. And as a second value, we just take the value here. Okay, and we put this in a try block. So when this fails, we bail out, accept, pass. Okie dokie. Okay, I think we don't need this here anymore. We can now just edit this here, and for X in new dict keys, if VP dict, just change this here to new dict. This also. This also. And value. We get this value from here. I think we have to switch this here. Yeah. New dict key value 0. Okay. We don't need this anymore. We have the list. And let's check if this works. Save. Lord. Okay, this is Modo 17. Let's check if this works. Dict test. And I open this in Modo 61 v8. You. Works. And do the same check for Modo 17. Beauty, this looks good. Tighten this up here a bit. Okie dokie. We don't need this anymore. And we don't need this anymore. Too many blank lines, too broad exception clause. Yeah, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. We can change the list to something else. Value list. Okie dokie. This looks good. This looks good. MD. 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 Okay, nice. So check if everything works. Okay, this works too. I think this looks good. Correcto. UD. UT. I also would like add you to this save thing. So some feedback. Info box. So if scene point has tag mdvt, yeah. And I added a yes no dialog to the diver module, and I want to use it here. If scene has tag diver point module has tag. What do we have here? Message title. And the message is a question. I just call this here Modo Diver. Modo Diver. Do override. Scene has item tag. Override item tag. Maybe something like this. Assign this here to variable. Check. This will be fine. Equals if check equals okay. Do this. Okay, let's try this. Save. Okay, diver module is not defined. Yeah. Okay. Diver point. Yes, no. This should work better. Modo diver is seen as item tag. Override item tag. Yes. Tag is somewhere here. Let's change the color to something. This maybe. Yo. This works. Okie dokie. Else. Else we do this instead. And we give a message, diver, point, info, modo, comma, diver, saved, item tag to scene, and I think we can do this also here. And we'll diver else just a board. I don't know. Beauty. Scene has item tag, override item tag, yes. Saved item tag to scene. Cool. Let's remove this tag here. Modo diver, saved item tag to scene. Cool. Yeah. Easy peasy. Override? No. Okay, we should get pink here. You. Save. Yes. Item tag. And this should get right. Good. I think this is a little bit tighter. It's good. It's fine. Okie dokie. Some other strange things here. Yeah. Just call this also value list. Okie dokie. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Matter. Yeah, that's true. Can get rid of this. And this. Doesn't matter. Yeah, let's change this here. Default dict equals VP dict. Okie. I think this is also value list. Okie dokie. VP. Okie dokie. Okay, this seems all to be fine. Your link lines. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Ciao.